Hey editors, on a recent job, I had a lot of 4K footage, and this guy right here just couldn't keep up. So, after doing a little research, I ran across these two. This is a SanDisk Extreme Pro, and this is the SanDisk Extreme. Both of them are 500 gigs, both of them are nice, small, compact, and really great hard drives. What I'm gonna tell you is what's the difference and why you might wanna go with this one over this one. So this is the Extreme Pro and this is the Extreme. Of course, you can tell there's a size difference. And the size difference is just not here. Of course, the boxes are even different. The main difference is this one reads and writes about 1 gigabyte per second. This one does it in about 500. Both of them are pretty fast, and for 4K footage, this is more than enough in most cases. I did find this one, the speed, it was pretty much unbelievable. I mean, for its transfer information, pictures. Of course, my issue at the time was 4K footage. Blazing fast. I mean, this is definitely the way to go. And when I show you, after doing a little hard drive test, the difference in the read and write speeds and these, huge difference. And after you see that, you'll probably see that you may be having the same issue yourself. So first up, I wanted to test my internal hard drive, which has a very fast SSD built into it. It's a 2017 MacBook Pro. The write speed, I was getting around 1.5 gigabytes, and the read, I got up to about 1 gigabyte. So next up is the Lacy. I was getting read and write speeds around 90 megabytes. This is my standard hard drive, so this is what I've been accustomed to using over the years. Comparing this hard drive to the new SSDs doesn't seem quite fair, but for a dramatic comparison, here we go. So first up is the SanDisk Extreme. I got write speeds around 480 megabytes, which is pretty fast. Read speeds, I got over what was advertised, which is 500. I got speeds up to 524 megabytes. So performance-wise, I'm very pleased. Moving on to the SanDisk Extreme Pro, I was getting write speeds between 920 to 930 megabytes, which is really, really fast. Write speeds, I didn't quite match that speed, but still very, very fast. I was getting between 890 megabytes up to sometimes 920 megabytes. Still, this performance is really, 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 really good. And I can't say enough reallys. It was really good. Just as a reference, this is a couple of the most popular 4K footage data rates. Not having a hard drive that can read at a speed to keep up with these data rates can really cause some issues and can lead to some serious bottlenecking issues. So, what's bottlenecking? Bottlenecking is any limitations that your hardware may be experiencing. In computers, it can be sometimes your CPU, your GPU, which is your video card, and sometimes people don't even think about it, your hard drive. And these days, hard drive speed is very, very important. With 4K footage, it reads and writes at a higher data rate than your normal HD and, of course, SD quality footage. And that's why you'll need these two. These two hard drives plug up USB-C, or I guess you can call it Thunderbolt 3 if you're dealing with Apple. Both of them come with the cords that you need. One thing I did find very interesting is that the Pro cable was much longer, and I guess if you're a pro, you need the length, I guess. And this is, of course, the smaller version. One thing I did like about the Pro did give an extra cord, which included the normal USB that most people are accustomed to. For the Extreme version, it came with this little doohickey, I'll call it, or adapter, which definitely just plugs into here and it converts it into this other cord. So yeah, I mean, you get everything you need right out the box, and it's ready to go. If you're looking to pick up these two hard drives, I wouldn't suggest using them just for storage. These hard drives would be great for something that when you're on the go. If you got pictures that you want to edit, video, these would be what you'll want to edit off of, not necessarily just store, because very expensive. This guy right here, which is the Extreme Pro, usually retails about $188, and this right here, which is just the Extreme version, it retails at $129. Recently, Best Buy had this one on sale for $88, which was a great deal, and this one with B&H was on sale for $109. So definitely, if you can catch these on sale, it'd be the time to get it. And it's the holidays, or when it's around the holidays, is the best time to even pick up something like this. So guys, I hope the information helps you out in your next job. This is not a paid advertisement or sponsorship. These just truly just help me out. But if you want to pick these two guys up, there will be a link below. So it will help us out. So we definitely would appreciate it. And if you have any questions or if anything I didn't cover, please feel free to comment below, and I'll be more than glad to answer any questions. Like I said, these two are, both of them are great. If any one you want to go with, you won't go wrong. I want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe and look out for more videos. Please comment below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for what's coming up next. Subscribe and like.